Hello, good afternoon. I am Sultan Mahmud, founder of Simulation Support BD-SSBD. Today, I will discuss about a very common problem faced by ANSYS user. Sometimes it creates a very hassle for beginner level users. Sometimes, by some means, this outline is lost. If the outline is lost, you cannot see the geometry, you cannot select the surface body, you cannot do any operation from this tree. This tree helps a lot to operation in this geometry interface. So let me create the problem first, then solve it. Let me close this. This is the problem that is faced by many users. The outline is lost. To get it back, you can just simply click on this reset layout. It will be back. But if you cannot find the reset layout option in the ribbon, then you have to click on quick launch, then write reset layout. Then you will see a results like this. Then you have to click on take me there. Then it will take you here. Then just click on this reset layout. It will automatically come back. Thank you for watching the video. From SSBD, we will be uploading a few common issues faced by ANSYS user with solutions so that your hassle reduces and you can focus on the simulation. Thank you for watching.